This poem is called Structural Integrity. Structural integrity, some of you may know, refers to the ability of a material to endure stress, strain, without undergoing wear and tear. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to be the material. How heavy hope is. In the falling skies, a gathering storm of darkening clouds. As they gather and form, it is heartening shroud. It is taking light from the day, making night from my way. And as the storm brews nowadays, as is the norm, news is coming from both far and near, beating the drums in my ears and letting me know that it is nearly fermented, and that my taste buds will soon know the bitter wail of the tale which is told of a titan tormented. With the entire weight of the world on his shoulders, he bears land, mass, sea, and boulders, the weight of the entire cosmos resting on the width of his shoulders. Drawing from my stream of my consciousness, I sip on my creative juices, contenting myself that even present sufferings are things that the Creator uses. So I don't speak about the dark thoughts around which my mind keeps turning, or the secret passions raging between my spine and sternum, the bleeding heart that my ribs are caging, or the war on fashion that my sleeves are waging. You see, hearts were not meant for accessories, so I'm opening up these closets, trying to look for armor better suited to bear the burden of expectations, minding the mind not to meander in the maze of the world's ways, bracing the back to be able to bear the brunt of what the world weighs. But your world weighs a lot, and I am weakened. I am weakened by the emptiness of my refrigerator, reminding me that I've invested far too much in the mere cooling of water, and I am drowning in the deep end. I won't mince my words, but I relish Monday mornings because they mark the end of the weekend and the start of the work week, wherein I work big fingers to the bone, trying to make ends meet. Caught in the vice-like grip of time's crunches, you realize there really are no such things as free lunches. Not when friends say, hey, have you noticed how Andrew's visits always seem to coincide with Sunday brunches? You see, for these meals I pay, and currently dignity is the only currency that life and circumstance will accept, as they pin me face down and plant on my crown the premature beginnings of a great crown. Meanwhile, I'm trying to figure out what it all really means, while the debt collector's number keeps my phone ringing tears out of my mother's pillowcase. Those were precious to me. Washing the weeping blister stains out of my father's gloves. You see, every day that he works for this family is a labor of love. Looking at my little brother and thinking you deserve better from me. Now these are things that never heard me say, but thanks to this damn dreamer's disease, I'm more than happy to step on stage and put my spirit on display, getting this weight off my chest, bench pressing, striving to become the benchmark, the funniest man on that stage, the winner of that slam. Sometimes I swear it all feels like a big sham, like the many alter egos I hide behind to conceal the caking lumps of mud that my real name has been dragged through. I suppose one does what one has to. Standing before you, I am a walking nervous system. But when I can't stand before the hardships, I kneel before his lordship. I am no man of the cloth, but like Gemini, it seems that them and I is cut from the same cloth, because my rational mind finds my spirit quite cold, because even now I keep on trusting my God, a God who my grandfather introduced us to. And on the day that I turned 21, he seemed to say, you're a man now, and then he paved the way to heaven. And to my shame, to this day, I am yet to set foot at his grave. But when I finally go, I'll have my final confrontation with gravity, though, and ask it, is this all that you're good for? I'll tell life that you cannot have my joy, and death you are gonna have to wait. And when I finally go, we will meet, and I will not be a casualty of this war when I pass. I will leave scorch marks on your horizons and scars in your skies. I will not be a casualty, I will be difficult about my passing when I die. And you will know that I was here, and that counted. I was here, and that counted.